Today I'm going to show you my animals. At least I'm going to try to. Here's one. Here's another one coming. Right there. Here's the mamas. Here's another one. Her or his name is Snowflake. The gray one is following me. Here's another puffball. Let's go outside now. Here's one, another one. That one's Snowball. The white one's Snowball. There's some more coming. Woo! There's one right there. Here's one. There's that one. That one is the Crystal. You guys remember this one, my little cat Felix. Here's another one. No, this one's not Mama's. Mama's inside. I might show one or two twice, so my bad. Here's Nancy. Right there. There's another cat right there. This one's Puppy. This one's Piggy. Piglet. My sister's dog. There's another one on the car. That one's Coco. That one over there doesn't have a name. I know there's a lot more, but that's all I can show you right now. Bye!